Hello and welcome to this Technic Force tutorial. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to set up MailEngine autoresponder in Webinarloop from the Webinars dashboard. When you log in, click Autoresponder. Click Add Autoresponder. As you can see, there are different names of the autoresponder, which all are being integrated in the software. Select MailEngine. To get your API key, log in to your MailEngine account in WordPress. On the left sidebar, click your MailEngine plugin, and then go to Email Settings, scroll down, and you'll find your API key as well as your API URL. Copy your API key and paste it, as well as copy the API URL and paste it. There you go! After that, select MailEngine and click New Sync List so that it will be successfully synchronized with new list. Now, to confirm that list is successfully synchronized, all we need to do is to see the list in the MailEngine options. It's now added. After adding the autoresponder and synchronizing the list, I will show you how the details will navigate from the webinar registration page to autoresponders list. Go to Webinars dashboard, choose your webinar. Click Webinar Setup. On the left sidebar, click Autoresponder. Select your autoresponder, which is the MailEngine, and then select your list. If you have tons of lists, you can add more. And click Save. Now that it's already saved, go back to Webinars dashboard. In your webinar, copy registration URL and paste it in a new tab. Let's enter your details in your registration page. First is the first name, next is the email, your phone number, and register. You are now registered. To confirm your details in the list of autoresponder, go back to MailEngine and click List. Click this Add Subscribers so you'll see a new subscriber is added. I hope you like this tutorial. We also have a bunch of tutorials in Webinarloop in this channel. Take a look and you might also find tutorials about the other apps too, which might help you succeed in internet marketing. Thanks for watching!